The world of 360-degree action cameras is on the verge of a major evolution with the highly anticipated launch of the Insta360 X5. As competition in immersive content creation heats up, Insta360 is expected to elevate its game by addressing key user demands and pushing the boundaries of technology. Slated for a release in the third quarter of 2025, the X5 aims to revolutionize the market with substantial upgrades in image quality, stabilization, audio, and overall usability. A bigger and better sensor for superior image quality. One of the most significant enhancements rumored for the Insta360 X5 is its sensor size. The current Insta360 X4 features a 0.5-inch sensor capable of producing 72-megapixel 360-degree photos and 18-megapixel standard shots. While impressive low-light performance and dynamic range have been areas where users have requested improvements, the Insta360 X5 is rumored to introduce a 1-inch sensor, a substantial upgrade that will enhance light intake, reduce noise, and offer greater depth of field. A larger sensor allows for more refined image processing, significantly improving low-light performance and sharpness. This change will be a game-changer for content creators who rely on high-quality footage, especially in challenging lighting conditions. Improved video capabilities and resolution. The Insta360 X4 already supports 8K video recording, but the X5 is expected to push these capabilities even further. Potential enhancements include a higher frame rate for ultra-smooth motion capture, improved in-camera processing to reduce compression artifacts, and a higher bit rate option for superior cinematic results. With advancements in computational photography, the X5 might also introduce real-time HDR video capture, allowing for better contrast and color accuracy in different lighting scenarios. Revolutionary audio upgrades. A common concern among 360-degree camera users has been subpar audio quality. While the X4 includes built-in microphones and voice control, the Insta360 X5 is anticipated to introduce a new array of omnidirectional microphones designed to capture immersive spatial audio. This upgrade will be crucial for vloggers and professionals who prioritize high-fidelity sound. Additionally, the X5 is likely to include advanced wind noise reduction technology, a long-requested feature for action camera users who frequently record in high-motion environments. Whether you're biking, skiing, or surfing, this enhancement could drastically improve audio clarity by minimizing wind interference. Enhanced lens protection and durability. One of the biggest drawbacks of 360-degree cameras is the vulnerability of their protruding lenses. While the Insta360 X4 introduced removable lens guards, they weren't a perfect solution, as scratches remained a major concern. The X5 is expected to introduce a built-in retractable lens system or a more durable protective coating to address this issue. Additionally, Insta360 may improve lens sharpness and introduce coatings that minimize glare and reflections, particularly in bright outdoor conditions. Next-level stabilization for smooth footage. Insta360 has been a leader in digital stabilization, with its flow state technology delivering buttery smooth footage without the need for a gimbal. The X5 is expected to improve upon this with even more advanced horizon leveling, AI-powered motion correction, and dynamic stabilization modes to ensure shake-free video, even in extreme action-packed scenarios. Furthermore, AI-powered editing tools could take post-production capabilities to new heights. With cloud-based AI processing, users might gain access to automated editing suggestions, real-time framing assistance, and intelligent subject tracking, reducing the need for extensive manual editing. Better battery life and thermal management. Battery performance and overheating have been consistent challenges in high-performance cameras, and the X4 was no exception. The Insta360 X5 is rumored to feature an upgraded battery with higher capacity and enhanced power efficiency. Additionally, a redesigned cooling system could significantly improve heat dissipation, preventing thermal throttling and allowing longer recording sessions without interruptions. This would be particularly useful for professionals shooting long-form content or those operating in hot environments. Built-in GPS and enhanced connectivity. Previous Insta360 models required external accessories for GPS functionality, but the X5 might finally integrate GPS directly into the camera. This would be a game-changer for adventure filmmakers and athletes who want to geotag their footage with precise location data. In addition to GPS, The X5 is expected to offer faster Wi-Fi, improved Bluetooth stability, and possibly even 5G support. These enhancements would make transferring large 360-degree files much quicker, an essential feature for content creators working in fast-paced environments who need to upload footage rapidly. Competitive pricing and release date expectations. Pricing will be a crucial factor in the Insta360 X5's success. The X4 launched at around $500, striking a balance between affordability and advanced features. Given the anticipated improvements in sensor size, stabilization, and audio, industry analysts predict a starting price closer to $600. While this represents an increase, the added value in terms of performance and functionality makes it a compelling investment. Following Insta360's historical release pattern, which saw the X3 debut in September 2022 and the X4 in April 2024, the X5 is expected to launch in Q3 2025. This timeline aligns with industry trends, where major camera releases typically occur in the fall. Final thoughts. Is the Insta360 X5 worth the hype? The Insta360 X5 is shaping up to be a groundbreaking successor to the X4, with major advancements in sensor technology, video quality, stabilization, durability, audio performance, and connectivity. If these rumored features materialize, the X5 could set a new industry standard for 360-degree cameras, making it a must-have tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. With its expected launch on the horizon, excitement is building. Will the Insta360 X5 redefine the landscape of immersive video creation? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech innovations. Stay tuned for more from technology in the future.